Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, my name is Grace Kienyo and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Guys, I'm enjoying this. The fact that I have a new phone is making me just take it up. I want to create content. Yeah, endeleni kuview, endeleni kuwatch. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm up today. So stick it here and like the video guys. Yes guys, then I got some milk. This is the Naivas. This was the cheapest. So mostly for milk I have a guy who delivers, so I just added some 2 of them. And then we have tea bags. This is the Faraja premium tea. These are 25, the tagged tea bags. And then we have the white spaghetti, the green label, blue label tutakula nini ikishuka bei. And then we have chicken, half capon. Yeah guys, so that's exactly what I got. And then just some few things from this other section. So this is the bread spray, as you can see. And then we have my baby's what is it called, the oil. This is her petroleum jelly. Yeah, this is the palette. This is a new product, as you can see. Yeah, that's how it looks inside. I don't know why it's so down there. You see, wametudanganya. Yeah, but it smells so nice. So you see, this is the coconut and cream. Yeah. And then I also got this Ballet baby jelly soap. Yeah, this is the calendula. As you can see, it moisturizes, nourishes, protects. Yeah, so I love their soaps. They smell so good. And then I got some few earbuds. Yeah, these ones were just like 60 bob. I hate buying this in bulk because anytime she sees them, I find she has messed them up. And then for some soap, this was the cheapest I could get. I can't believe with this economy we are going. We're no longer looking at the brands. Yeah guys, so that's my small shopping haul. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to this vlog. So as you can see, I'm heading out. I'm in such a rush, you guys, because today I have so many meetings. I don't know how I'm gonna do them. Yeah, so I'm supposed to go to Westlands for a meeting. I'm supposed to go pick a check in Kariobangi, and then later on I'm supposed to go to Kamukunji to shop for something for the shop. I have a client who requested something that I need to go get there. So you can imagine guys, so today is one of those days. So in case I'm able to take you somewhere, I'll be able to do that. But if I'm not able to do that, that is my plan for the day. So guys, keep it here, keep it here. Muendelee ku like and subscribe as we continue growing. So how is the quality of this phone? How is it? I'm loving it. I'm supposed to be looking at the camera over here. I keep forgetting that. So guys, tuendelee, wacha niende. Guys, this is Nairobi for you. So I believe niko huku downtown hivi. Yeah, let's go. Well guys, I'm back home. Well. Yani, I'm so tired. I've had so many errands today. Like I've done the most today, you know. Yani nikaenda hiyo meeting nilikuwa nayo WSP, nikatoka hapo hivyo. Uzuri for the check, I didn't go for it. At least I sent a rider. And then for the, what is it called? I had to go to Kamukunji to source for the things that I needed. Guys, if you have not followed my shop on Instagram, you need to go and follow my shop on Instagram. It's called All Things Baby Kenya. I'm going to put it up here. Guys, go support a girl, cause where kuchoka is kuchoka wase. Yeah, but I'm so glad for the support so far. Keep on tapping for me. I'm gonna show you some of the clips on where I managed to take clips. Actually, I've done so much today. After going, what is it called? After kwenda huko Kamukunji, I've managed to do panty shopping also. Yeah, umebadilisha hizo panty zako nazo. When was the last time you did that? So yeah, I did panty shopping too. And then I've managed to buy soap. Yeah, so if you have not watched my video on how to make liquid soap at home, you need to go and do that. Yeah, so I've bought the ingredients that are needed for me to make the soap. Yeah, so nimenunua hizo. So we have just made, because the one that I last made was ya kwetu home shags. So at least I need to make for here so that we can use it in the house. Yeah, so if you have not watched that video, I'm gonna link it in the description box so that you can just go and learn. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you the clip on how when I went there to buy the soap ingredients. Yeah, so guys, let's keep it here. Let's continue the vlog. I'm looking disheveled there, but nimechoka for real. Yeah. Hiya, so guys, nitaona somewhere in this vlog the pain I felt when I broke these nails, you guys. I just had to go and get them removed. Yeah, it was so painful. It was the worst pain ever.
fact that you and I are working here today.
Hello guys, so this is the last day of this vlog. I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to upload it today. Yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. So we are going to church. Yeah, so that's why we are heading out. We are not late, at least today we are on time. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe, and enjoy. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. So that's my Kaale over there. Yeah, she's rocking all things baby Kenya. Yeah, and her cute shoes.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. So turn around. Wow, smart.